For all us Tesla investors, we knew that last week's earnings report could go either way. Being a high-profile, high-tech company, volatility is the name of the game for the stock. But as we know, more often than not, Tesla has been able to surprise us all with positive earnings reports. Now, before we start, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Of course, as we all know, the company came through for us in this quarter and beat their earnings estimate. Let's look at the numbers. EPS of 76 cents versus analysts' estimate of 57 cents. Revenue of $8.77 billion versus analysts' estimate of $8.36 billion. Automotive revenue climbed 42% to $76 billion. That's right, folks, Elon did it again. According to Musk, the 2020 July through September quarter was the best quarter in history for the company, and that the company expects to grow as fast as it can while remaining focused on cost control and quality. What this all means for the stock price is that analysts' forecast for the stock just went higher. What was already a great performing stock will do even better. This is great news for Tesla investors, especially for the long-term ones, because the prospects for this company keeps on getting better and better. Any investor who doubts the success of this company will be in for a lot of hurt. What this earnings report has done for the stock price is that it changes the stock price prediction going forward. Existing investors will keep on making more money with the stock, and new investors would also be rewarded if they come in now. For investors who were bullish on the stock over the long term will also get the added benefit of short to mid-term price spikes. This also means that even for investors who have been waiting to get in on the gravy train that is the Tesla stock, now is a great time to buy the stock as any. The thing that investors need to keep in mind is that this company, along with the stock price, is on an upward trajectory. But as the stock keeps hitting new highs, is there a possibility of pullback? Could some institutional or even retail investors, such as yourselves, start to take some profits and test a new price floor for the stock? We will be answering that question later in this video. Which brings us to our next topic of discussion. What's next for this stock? How soon can it hit $600? Let's talk about what the forecast looks like for the stock over the next 14 months until the end of 2021. Where do we think the stock will be by then? Our prediction is that the stock will definitely hit $600 sometime in 2021. Production numbers are starting to increase and we are on a stable upward trajectory, and the company has a solid pipeline of products. Giga Austin and Giga Berlin will be coming online in 2021, along with the Tesla Cybertruck and the Tesla Semi. What you need to understand is not only is the company heavily expanding its production capacity, it is expanding its product lineup. This double whammy will easily push the stock to new heights with ease. We will also be releasing an important video on Tesla's ability to innovate on the technological front and rapidly expand its product lineup and also increase its geographic footprint. The company is rapidly expanding in a multi-dimensional way. No other company on this planet is on an upward trajectory such as Tesla. A super important factor that investors need to understand about Tesla is that the stock will remain volatile for the foreseeable future. No matter what happens to the broader stock market, irrespective of what happens to the economy, this stock will experience wild swings. That is the nature of this beast. A stable dividend-paying stock, Tesla is not. On the other hand, as an investor, if you can hold on for the ride, this is a must-have for any investment portfolio, unless you are on a very short-term investment horizon. Now, a big question. Will this stock ever go down below $400, or do we have a safe floor at $400? After this latest earnings report, the stock seems to be forming a floor. For long-term investors, volatility is not a problem because we plan on holding the stock for many years to come. For investors with a shorter time horizon, having a floor in the stock price should definitely help them sleep better at night. An important factor that investors need to understand is that this company is starting to hit its strides, and they have been able to leave their manufacturing and other issues behind them. As the company progresses with its plans, the financials will become more and more clear to a wider set of analysts and investors, thereby helping to lift the stock price even further. Therefore, we feel that the downside is pretty well protected for Tesla stock. A lot of naysayers are starting to turn around and see the potential of this company. It is quite amazing how a vast swath of retail investors are starting to understand the company and investing heavily in its stock. We will be doing some more videos on Tesla, especially on the economics of autonomous taxi service opportunity and how that business could be even bigger than the electric vehicle business. Please do let us know what other type of video you would like to see on Tesla, and we will bring it to you. Remember, we are creating a great community of like-minded investors who are always on the lookout for great investment opportunities. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Folks, we would greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the like button.